What's up, gurus? So a little surprise here, yet another project. I know you're thinking, man, I should finish some of the ones I have first, but no, it's not this truck. It is a KLX110. That's right, man. I got a score on this thing. I've been watching Facebook Marketplace for a while. This one popped up for 300 bucks, and the girl told me that it was pending sale already. And I was like, man, I should have known I'd missed it. And I told her to let me know if the guy didn't come through. And she said, she came back like 45 minutes later and said, he never answered. So if you want it, it's yours. So I actually sent Kristen, the baby, down to pick this thing up right that second. We got a steal on it, 300 bucks. They told me that it was missing brakes and bearings. It's really in a little worse shape than that, but nothing out of the question here. It had no brakes on the back, as in like no pads, no brake rod. It's got no front brake cable. It was missing a collar in the wheel. The chain and sprockets were absolutely ruined, but it starts right up and runs. I couldn't test ride it or anything, but yeah, I'm pumped, man. I've been wanting a pitter. I'm not sure if I'll keep this one for me or give this one to Krista and use it as kind of like a guest bike, and maybe get me a 110L down the road. But either way, I'm gonna get this one in solid shape and keep it around for a long time. So and get some parts ordered for this thing, and we'll get cracking on it, put some fresh oil in it, and ride it and see what it's got going on. But just stay tuned, because I will, every step of the way, everything I buy, I'll let you guys know what I've got, what it's cost, what I've got into this bike total, so you can keep, you can have an idea of what you're looking at with a project like this. I'll also be putting up a bunch of riding footage, any mods or anything I do. I'll definitely be including everything in it, so definitely stay tuned. Thanks for watching.